I am very scared for Ash versus Leon battle. There are many questions arising as well for Ash versus Leon battle. The questions are as follows. Number 1. Will Ash use his old gimmicks? I mean to say, will Ash use his all gimmicks in this battle? Number 2. Will Ash old Pokemon return? And number 3. What will be the outcome of the battle? Because it really seems a tough battle for Ash. If unless until he's not using his old plot armor, because this battle is gonna be very interesting to see whose plot armor will win in this old battle. Will it be of Leon or will it be of Ash? Whose plot armor will win? Let us know in today's video. So hello everyone, myself Pokis Creation, and in today's video we are gonna talk about, will Ash old Pokemon return, or will Ash use his all gimmicks in this today's battle of Ash vs Leon, and when will the Ash vs Leon episode will be released officially? So let's talk about it. Now after the battle of Ash vs Cynthia, well, the battle has gone okay smoothly. I have also made the whole video by discussing and breaking down all the important things which happened in Ash vs Cynthia. You can see the video floating somewhere around here or in the description box. Do check that video as well, because there are some important details which you might have missed, which are very important to know for Ash vs Leon battle. Now coming to today's video topic, will Ash use his all gimmicks? Well, there are two things which should be in our mind. Number 1 is, in the preview or in the opening song we saw in the first opening song we saw Pikachu battling Leon's Charizard. What I believe in about that preview is that has already ended with the Ash vs Leon first battle. That was about the opening. Don't go about the opening because we didn't saw anything like that. Yeah, I know that the battle and the animation was really great in the opening, but nothing happened like that. So that's what about it. If anyone is saying that is related to upcoming battle, that is totally lies. But there might be a chance that Ash will use Pikachu, and yes, Pikachu might play a big role. But what I think that Dragonite and Gengar will play a better role in the upcoming battle. Why? Because they did not get shine in the Ash vs Cynthia battle, and that is the rule of journeys. For giving shine to one Pokemon, they destroy all others' career. So if they want to make others' career, they will again destroy Surface and Dracovish career in upcoming Ash vs Leon battle. So there is a high possibility that maybe Pikachu will also get the shine, but I think that the MVP will go to Lucario only. Now talking about the gimmicks, there is two possibilities. Number 1 is of the Chairman Rose. I think that you guys remember this person who was responsible to train Leon, and also he was like a Lysander of Kalos, okay, who was manipulating Ash, and who also tries to release the Eternatus. All that stuff happened, and after that maybe there is a high possibility that he somehow got the Pokeball of Eternatus and released Eternatus, which will cause again a chaos while Ash and Leon are battling in the tournament, in the arena. So there is a high possibility that they will stop, and all that stuff it seems like Alola. If you guys remember that two Gigantamax thing came out of that wormhole or something while the battle of Ash vs Kukui. I just hope that the battle won't get ruined. It might happen after that or before the battle. I just want that. On number 2 we have the second possibility, which is that Ash might use Leon wants to test Ash, because he wants to battle the strongest trainer in the world, so that he can say to himself that he is strongest, correct? So maybe that he will tell Ash that use your all power to defeat me, so that whether I should know whether am I the strongest or you are the strongest. So there is a possibility that he will challenge Ash to use his all gimmicks, and Ash will use his all gimmicks. But what I think is, though these two possibilities don't come at one place, so there will be the last possibility that Ash will use only either Mega Lucario, either Pikachu, or either Gigantamax, Gengar. but there is a very less possibility of Gengar. There is a high possibility of using either 10 million volt Thunderbolt or Lucario, but there is a 50-50 chance of both of them. So that's it. We will definitely get to know more about it in the upcoming weeks, because we have 2 episodes gap, so there is that as well. Of that Go and all that stuff, there is 2 episodes related to Go backstory, again 1 filler episode, and after that we will get 1 more episode related to Project Mew, which will be kind of interesting because we will see Gigantamax Regigigas in that episode. So that will be a very good point to see how Regigigas outperforms Go or his old teams. There will be Gary as well, there will be Go as well, and his old team using Urshifu's and Go using his Cinderace for battling Gigantamax Regigigas. Okay, so after that we will see Ash vs Leon battle. So let's see what happens in the battle. There are many things to talk about, like what I think, will Ash old Pokemon returns, or what will happen, what will be the outcome. We will talk that in later episodes. If you want the episode, let me know in the comment section. How do you guys like the video? Let me know that as well. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for such more amazing videos. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also on which topic do you guys want me to make the video, because it all depends on you all. I just want the watch time and you all want the quality. So let's come together and make a beautiful community. So see ya, have a good day till the next video.